What if you could star in your own movie, generated entirely by AI, and share it with the world instantly? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. OpenAI is making a reality with the launch of Sora 2, its next-generation audio and video generator, alongside a brand new social platform simply called Sora. While Sora 2 remains in invite-only mode for now, OpenAI has already teased jaw-dropping demos that show a level of realism never seen before in any AI video. Forget glitchy basketballs teleporting into hoops, because Sora 2 can make it bounce and even the rebound with unreal accuracy without killing the laws of physics like before. But the real magic lies in cameos. It's a feature in the Sora app that lets users insert themselves directly into AI-generated scenes. After uploading a one-time video and audio sample for identity verification, users can become the lead character in any visual story they can dream of. The only downside is it's currently available only in the US and Canada. The Sora app features a TikTok-style feed where users can share their AI-generated content, browse others' creations, and get personalized recommendations based on engagement and location. Think of it like Instagram Reels meeting sci-fi movie studio. It's totally free for now, but OpenAI plans to charge during high-demand periods. The app is likely to have parental controls to let the younger users explore safely. Still, with great power comes great responsibility. As excitement builds, so do concerns about deepfakes and consent. OpenAI admits these risks and says safeguards are in place, but we're still waiting to see how it rolls. So, are you gonna become an influencer on Sora? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.